Hey everybody, how's it going? You just saw the little Arcdroid CNC plasma cutter that I have, knocking out some Indiana keychain slash key fob ornament deals that I make. And one of the things in my shop that I want to show you that I just bought fairly recently, that I don't know how I survived without it when I'm doing those little keychains and little things like that, is a permanent magnetic chuck. So let me flip the camera around and I'll show you how that works. So there's lots of ways to get this slag or this dross off of the back of plasma cut items. And actually this one I'm going to put down on the magnet and just hit it with a chisel on a couple of the high spots. But the smaller stuff, like that's around the edges, you just hit it with the angle grinder and it'll come right off. The problem is when you get down to this size, one, when you're grinding on it, it gets hot. Two, if you're doing something a little smaller, I do these little flowers and they're even smaller. It's just hard to hold on to it. And if you clamp it with a pair of pliers, it's going to mar it up and make a mark on it. So I bought a permanent magnetic chuck. Really simple to use. So the side we would be grinding is the side that's got the dross or the slag on it. So we're going to put that side down. Magnet's off. We're going to turn the magnet on. And now I can set the angle grinder on there and then grind that down. It goes nowhere. And then I can flip it over by turning the magnet off. And we can polish this side and then polish the other side. So yeah, they're kind of expensive. Yes, it is going to mar it up and kind of make dig marks in it. But you know what? It saves so much time and might even save a finger or two. So I'll put a link down in the description for this one. You don't have to buy this one if you want to buy one. There's tons of different ones to choose from. This one's 12 by 6. I can't remember how much it cost, but it was over $100. But well worth it. It also has a stopper in the back, so if you want to, you can adjust that and raise it so you can push up against it when you're working on things. So let's grind one of these down, and I'll show you how easy it is. Watch your ears. Super easy, saves so much time, and I don't have to clamp anything down. Go get yourself a magnetic chuck if you do any kind of plasma cutting and all on small pieces. You can thank me later.